All right, guys, are you ready to hear the best way you can generate money online in 2022? Let's go, let's get it now. So you're probably already thinking, not another one of those bloody videos where they're going to try and sell me some crap at the end of this video and it's probably some scam. No. I want to tell you a little story first, and it's going to be quick, but basically I wasn't destined to do anything online. Before I started getting into online marketing and digital marketing, I was doing aircraft engineering. I was working 9 to 5. I was working 3 jobs trying to make things work. And I just wanted to find a way where surely you could generate some income while you were like sleeping, and some sort of way that you could actually make a passive income without having to like buy property or invest in real estate and all that kind of stuff. And the only way to do that was to get through and just plow through all these different kinds of courses that was online. And that was just turned out to be a lot of bullshit. Not going to lie, it was a lot of rubbish. But along the way, I did stumble across something called affiliate marketing. And I was a complete beginner, and you can do this as a complete beginner as well. Guarantee you, it will take some time to learn it, but when you master it, you will be so thankful you did it. So when it comes to making money online, there is so many different things you could do, whether it's Shopify, drop shipping, whether it's Amazon, whether it's like running your own program and services and selling your time online for money. There's loads of different things, consulting, all sorts of stuff you could do, right? Fiverr, the list goes on. But often, most of them will require you to spend time for money. And that is the thing that you want to try and break. And it's the only thing I've found from trying every single business out there. I've tried all of them. Affiliate marketing wins every single time because you don't have to have your own product. You're not selling a product. You don't have to deal with anything specifically with handling the package, shipping, all that kind of like rubbish with customer service. You just sell the product that someone else owns, and they will handle everything for you. You just send that person to their website and you'll get a commission for it. Might be 10%, might be 5%. But the lucrative part of it is getting enough customers to go there and generate like $5, $10 every single day on thousands of different products. So you could have a website, right, that you own and you sell, I don't know, clothing, for example. But that's going to take you marketing. It's going to take you loads of PR and work to get that going to a point where you've actually got a profit. Whereas you could also have a website that just sells hundreds of other products that you don't even own. You put links in there, make sure your website's ranking high in Google. Done. You will get commissions. And obviously furthering on from that, you can focus on actually promoting those different affiliate programs through Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, all that kind of stuff to generate even more commissions, right? Essentially though, affiliate marketing is the most passive you could possibly get, and it is what's generated me over $500 a day, up to $1,000 a day doing affiliate marketing. And it is absolutely amazing. I'm not gonna lie, once you've mastered it and you can do that, I've got some links in the description below on me mentoring students and how you can achieve some results like this as well. It isn't guaranteed for everyone, obviously, and I can't guarantee that, but my mentorship program is designed to help you get that first commission, and I have had great success with it, and I'm super excited, hopefully with the chance to work with all of you as well. So let's get it. So for those of you thinking about affiliate marketing and thinking that it's just some scam and some bullshit that all these marketing gurus promote, I'm going to tell you now, it's not. You can look at a product that's out there already. That you might have heard of Honey. Have a look if you haven't. It's a Chrome plugin that you can also download, but it's also a website promoting discount codes for specific stores, so saving money at different like online Adidas, Nike, Tommy Hilfiger, all these kinds of brands. They are all affiliate links. So all of those are affiliate links. They're making millions of dollars a year with that, and it works, and it's freaking awesome.